Hello everybody, it's the Red Road Homestead, and today I'm going to show you a little bit, but first off I'm going to show you over here. Transplanted some cucumbers. Let's see how they do. And over here is my squash, my butternut. And then over here is my cucumber. But that's not what I brought you in to see. So, what I'm going to show you today is, it's hotter than heck out here. And yeah, you can tell I've been working, but I still got a lot of weeding to do. But look at this. Now, I planted this here when I first moved down here. Look how big this plantain plant is. Now, plantain grows everywhere. Usually it's smaller, but if you look at the leaves and just imagine smaller, it grows in just about everybody's yard. Make sure you don't kill that. Clip it, because let me tell you, it's used for bee stings, bug bites, you name it. Let me get this, and it works. Mosquito bites, it stops itching, it stops bee stings, and I got to clip these guys off here. They're ready for harvesting. Okay, I got them. I don't want the clover. We'll skip on the clover part. Okay, and I'm gonna try to get all of this clipped, and then I'll show you what I do with it. Let's see. Okay, I'll just do it this way, it's quicker. Okay, there's another one. Oh, I hear the chickens laying eggs out there. I think I have one that's broody. And then I got the baby chicks, of course, in the house. I'm gonna shake these and try to get some bugs off of it, because I don't want to take the bugs in. Yeah, most of the time they're small. I couldn't believe how big it got this year. This is the first time I've had plantain that tall, that big. So, and it'll grow back all year, just like when you cut down lettuce or anything like that, it's going to come back. So, until, winter and fall, and then it's gone again. But let me get that off my lens. There's my harvest on the plantain for today, and it'll have to be cleaned. I will rinse it all off, then I will dehydrate it, and then it'll be chopped into a powder. Now, what we used to do, for those that don't know it, I am Shawnee. I'm Native American. Yeah, I'm real light-skinned. I got a birth father that was Irish. My mother's side was not light. I just happened to take after his side. Boy, I got a bunch here. I'm trying to get a hold of it all so I can take it in and tell you more on the plantain. Oh, there's a little piece there. I might just let it go, but nah, we'll get it. But anyways, what we do down on the tribal land is we, if like a kid gets stung or somebody gets stung, it don't have to be a kid, or, mosquito bite and they're swelling up. Hello, kitty. I see another cat under my porch. But anyways, you chew it up, which tastes nasty, I will agree. And once you chew it up, you take it and place it on the spot where they either got stung or bit, and it takes away the pain or the itching. So what I'm going to do right now, though, is I want to weigh my, get it down here real quick. I'm going to weigh this so I have the weight for my harvest here. I turn it on. I don't know why I can't get it all the way in there. Come on, come on. Woohoo, I need pounds. Here we go. Okay, pounds and ounces. Let me get this all up here. And, whoa, I have 5.6 ounces. So 5.6 ounces of the plantain today. And I have been brought up Native American like we were speaking outside. And I'll just show you a few things. Let me write that down before I forget. Sorry for the bouncing around here. 5.6 ounces. Okay. This is the jar I put my, well, one of my jars. I put the plantain in. And it's all dried. Let's see if I could show you. So you don't have to chew it like we do on the tribal land. It's a little bit easier. You just wet it down a little bit, and hopefully you can see that. I make it into like a really, it looks bigger than what it is. It's a small powdery mixture. You wet it down and it works just fine on bee stings, mosquito bites, bug bites. I keep that around for my grandkids. I label everything. I put it in a dark jar to keep it longer. Then I also have yarrow. And what yarrow does, it stops bleeding. So we grow yarrow, or you can find yarrow too out in the woods. It's also a great antibiotic for wounds. As somebody that's out in the wilderness. But yarrow stops the bleeding. And then, of course, I have my Native American lettuce that I have to cook down into like a dark colored syrup. And Native American lettuce, you rub it on and it helps with pain. They say it's just like, almost like morphine, but that's for pain. Then I have chamomile salve. That also helps for pain. So if you grow chamomile. And then I have bear grease that can be used in any of these ointments to make a cream. So, yep, that's real bear grease. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. We have plants that grow in your own yard, in fields around you, and actually, that's where our medicine really comes from. Except for some of the synthetic stuff, I'd rather use the natural stuff. So I hope you enjoyed what I do, and I will dry this plantain out, and then it's going to be all chopped up and put into a jar for anybody that needs it. So have a good day, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll leave you looking at the baby chicks in here. Look at them, guys. They already look a little bit bigger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bye for now.